Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson. Today we will check the difference between past continuous and past simple, when to use them. Okay, past simple. We are going to use it to talk about complete actions, habits or facts in the past. So they have finished, they are over. For example, I went to the cinema yesterday. I always visited my grandparents in my summer holidays when I was little. I lived near Liverpool for a couple of years. Todas estas actividades terminaron. Son cosa del pasado. Past continuous. Interrupted actions. A specific time as an interruption and parallel actions. So, I was watching TV when the phone rang. Last night at 7 p.m. I was having dinner. While she was doing her homework, her brother was playing football. Son actividades que estaban sucediendo en un momento específico, que se vieron interrumpidas o que se están realizando de forma paralela con otras. Let's check some examples. Okay, here I have two texts. One is simple past and the other is past continuous. Check the structure of these two texts. I went to visit my grandma yesterday. At her house, we ate cookies and drank tea. She was so happy that I felt happy too. I gave her a new set of slippers and she loved them. It was a great day. Todos los verbos que estoy utilizando en el texto de pasado simple son verbos que se encuentran en su forma de pasado. Son actividades que sucedieron y terminaron. Went, ate, was, gave, loved, was. Now, let's talk about past continuous. In my grandmother's house, I was talking on the phone when she was preparing tea. When I was eating cookies, she was smiling at me. When she was wearing her slippers, I was smiling at her. Aquí vas a encontrar las oraciones con el pasado del verbo to be y el verbo principal con su terminación ing. Además encontrarás que fueron situaciones que estaban sucediendo mientras otras también pasaban. When I was eating cookies, she was smiling at me. When she was wearing her slippers, I was smiling at her. Sucedieron en un momento específico o sucedieron al mismo tiempo que otra situación. Para esta actividad no habrá entrega. Prepárate porque viene una actividad integradora. That's all for today. Until next time. Bye bye.